So let's talk about notebooks, and let's just begin with what do you think of this notebook right here? I mean, I opened it up to this. This is somebody's notebook, right? I'm not saying whose it is. It doesn't have their name or anything on there. But I opened up the notebook, and I'm at these 2 pages. Is this acceptable? No. I mean, the pages are taped in, right? But what's the problem with this right here? There's no title. There's no date. No day. Some of them are blank, right? Missing questions. But guys, I've said it over and over. In order for it to be an acceptable notebook, I need to be able to open up the notebook at any page and be able to read a title, date, and day. So if you're folding pages like this, that's fine. But maybe you could tape the page a little bit further down to have more space up here. And we should all write the title right here. Even if you could see it right here, let's write the title up here in the center. And also let's put the date and the day on the outside top corner of each page. So maybe I should have explained this before, but let's all do this together. Let's all put the title in the center and the date and the day on the outside corner. So from here on out, no matter how you fold the page, no matter what you're showing of the page, I mean, sometimes the page does have the title on there and you could put the date and the day. I'll show you some examples. But no matter what, let's put the title of whatever we have right here up in the center and the date and the day on the outside corner. So that would imply that you also have a title right here and a date and a day out here on the top outside corner. So we're going to do this from now on. So next time we turn it in, we'll all get these easy points for having a title, date, and day. How about this next slide right here? Is that acceptable? No. Why not? Same problem, right? How about this one? Is it better? It's better, but what? It needs a date and the day. Okay, so right here, check it out. They have the date and the day, but what would be nice for it to have up here? Title. Okay, so let's put the date and the day right here at the outside corner from now on, okay? And this other one, it has a title, but it doesn't have the date and the day. Now, she does have the date and the day right here on the actual paper itself, but let's from now on put the date and the day on the top outside corner. How about this one? Is this one good? Let's take a look at it. What do you say? That's pretty good, right? Of course, she has the date and the day right there, not out here, but that's okay because I never instructed. I didn't ask this of you guys. I'm going to ask this of you from now on. Title in the center, date and day out here, okay? And she does have homework right there. Over here on this side, same thing. She has, so this was a great notebook in my opinion because you could see the title, you could see the date and the day, and it's neat, right? Not only that, when you tape your papers in, I saw some people glue stick the entire back side of the paper, and you cannot do this. You cannot flip over the paper anymore, right? So if you did that, please don't do that. Either just tape in the top portion so you could still have access to both sides, and you need to be able to fold it out as well. So you want access to both sides. Again, title, date, and day. Make sure you have access on both sides. Make sure all your questions on your worksheets or handouts are complete. So here's another example. It's pretty good example. It has a title, has a date and the day. Everything's complete, nice and neat. There's these nice notes right there with the title out there. The date and the day, you might be thinking, hey, it's not there. Yeah, but she has it right here highlighted. But from now on, I would like you to write your date and day on the upper corner of each page, all right? That way we all do better on our notebooks. The goal is for me to be open up any page and be able to see what I'm looking at, when you did it, and what day it was, right? Day and date. Title, date, and day. Any questions on the notebook? No? Okay.